Okay, in this video tutorial we will learn how we can operate an RGB LED inside the Proteus platform. First of all, we will go to the component library and we will write here RGB, and here we have two models, that is common anode one and common cathode one. So we are choosing common cathode one. Okay, now you can see that there are four pins. The first one is R, the second one is G, the third one is blue, and the last one is cathode pin. Cathode must be connected with that of the ground. Okay. Now we must know that there are three colors, that is R, G and B, which are actually the three basic colors within the visible spectrum. You can create any color by changing their values or the quantity of the color. So here we are not going to apply any sort of pulse width modulated wave or any signal in order to vary the color, but we will just apply some DC voltages or sources to the RG and B pin. First, all the values, that is for R, G and B, all the values are 0. So we will run it and we will see that it is black. Now we will put 5 volts for red and keep green and blue at 0. Now we will simulate it and we see that we just got the red color. Now we will also put green as 5 volts, and now we will see that what we got the yellow color. Okay, now we will 5 volts for the blue, and now we will see what we get. Now this time we got the yellow color. Now we will try to reduce these values from red to blue. Like for red we will put 4 here. Still it is white, so we will put 3 here. Now it's still white. Now we will put 2. Now this time the color hopefully will change. No, it's again white. Okay, now 1 volt for red. Now it is changed to cyan. That is the sky. We cannot say that perfect sky blue. The best word is for cyan. Okay, now we come towards green and we put 5 volts here, and now we will reduce the quantity of blue. Again cyan. Okay, with 2 in the range of 2. Okay, now it is green. It is light green shown by the LED. So red and blue. Okay, now we will put red at 1 volt and they are at 5 volt. Then we will see what will happen. Okay, 5 volt and 5 volt. Then okay, cyan, we will put this blue as 0 volts and red and green at 5. Okay, now it's yellow. Okay, now so this is a basic tutorial. And one more thing, that if we if we keep green at 1 volt and red and blue, in order to get the magenta color we need this at 5. Okay, oh, sorry, let's delete it out, and now it will give us the magenta color. So in reality the RGB produce a lot of colors. Like if we just change voltage or PWM signal on any of the pin, the color gradually changes. But here is we are in Proteus, so there are some limits, so we can get just these colors inside the Proteus. So hopefully you got the concept regarding the RGB LED. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.